The M in man stands for money. The W in woman stands for withdraw. This is a video for men. So if you are a woman and you are watching this, share it with a man and pass. It is not for you. It's for men only. My brothers, come closer. The world is very cruel to a broke man. The world does not like a broke man at all, at all, at all. Now, there are some natural things that a typical man wants. Every man wants it, whether you admit it or not. Love, power, respect. Okay? We always want love, power, and respect from those that are around us. Now, let us start with love, first of all. You are a young man. You are broke. You want a young lady to love you. All you do with her is, hello, hi, have you eaten? What are your hobbies? What is this? What is that? Go and find out. Majority of the DMs that girls ignore on social media are DMs that talk about these things I just mentioned. Hello, hi, how are you? How was your day? These girls, what they want to hear is, can I take you out for dinner today? Mind going on a vacation? What is your favorite dress? I'm looking at ordering something for you. It is unfortunate. I do not support this, but it is the reality we need to wake up to. The bulk of the new generation girls, they are already seeing love as something that is transactional. Yes, that is becoming like the norm. It is very unfortunate. All right? Now, you are there, broke, looking for unconditional love. You are looking for unconditional love because you know you do not have money. I have bad news for you. The world does spoil well. I have bad news for you. Only these three entities enjoy unconditional love. You see, babies. You see, dogs and women. You see, anywhere anybody sees a baby, oh, I love this baby. The baby is not going to give you money. The baby is not going to run errands for you. You just love the baby. All right? Now, when you see a dog, a pet, a very beautiful little chihuahua, everybody loves it. That pet is not going to do any major task for you. It's just love, just as a pet, unconditionally. You see women, you will see a man from a very wealthy family, even a royal family, will determine that he is going to marry that daughter of a peasant. That daughter of a peasant, he will say, this is my true love. He will go and marry that girl. You will see a girl who doesn't bring anything to the table, will be in a relationship or a marriage, and a man will be taking care of her without complaining. But if a woman was to take care of a man for 1 week, only 1 week, her attitude will change. She will start nagging. She will start complaining. That is the reality of men. And we have to come to terms with it. The society has even made us to believe that if you don't have money, you don't have the right to love. Because even the expression of love is expensive. Okay, the dating process nowadays, talking stage, you have to have data to be online, to chat with your love subject. You have to be able to have data to even interact with them. You need airtime to call them, to check on them. What about visits? You need transport fare to go there. What about if she visits? A girl comes with her transport money. You should be able to assist her to go back. It involves money. When she comes, she will eat, she will drink. Date nights, you want to take her out for dinner, for lunch. It is money. That is why you see a lot of broke people, they can't even find love. If you say there is unconditional love, yes, it happens. You will see situations where a broke guy is dating a girl. Yes, they get love too. But let me break a very bad news to you. If you are watching this, you are a guy, you are broke, and there's a beautiful girl that is currently dating you, I have bad news for you. I have very bad news for you. If she has not started cheating with a guy that has money, if she has not started, If she has not started, she might not have started. Very soon, she will start. I am saying this not to make you feel bad. I am saying this to challenge you to try to change your status from being broke. The time is ticking. She will soon start cheating on you. Okay? You don't give her money, you don't buy her stuff, you don't buy her lunch, you don't do nothing for her. Let's say she does not even mind. She doesn't mind. She loves you like that. Does she not have friends? Does she not have family? Does she not relate with people? Does she not go on social media where a man will use a Lambo to woo a woman? Does she not go on social media? She doesn't go on social. Does she not watch movies to see what is happening around? See, the whole world is corrupt. The whole system in the whole world is programmed against the broke man. You will see a girl will tell you, why will I love you when you are broke? You that you are broke, do you love your current situation? That's what they will tell you. They will make you feel less of a man. Yes, what they are doing is wrong. I'm not supporting it. What they are doing is wrong. But instead of you having to explain that it is wrong, why don't you get out of that circle? The only person that has the voice to say what you people are doing is wrong is that person who is not broke. Because that way they will say, oh, you are not speaking from a place of pain. You'll be able to say, it is wrong for you to judge a man based on only what he brings to the table. Then you'll be able to back it up and say, I bring a lot to the table. So don't think I'm speaking for myself. That makes your statement more credible. A man is only loved based on what he can provide. That is the sad reality. Don't think about it too much. That girl you are wooing is not your mother who will love you unconditionally. Okay? It is the sad reality. Whether you like it or not, I have said my own. That is the reality. That is the reality. Getting to the point of marriage, I have seen cases where long-term relationship of a girl with a broke man ends because the father of the girl has said, this is the person you must marry. You are dating a girl now. Her father is down and needs to be operated upon. Cost of operation is 2 million. You will go there and be talking and be motivating them, Mr. Motivator. You'll be encouraging them. You'll be praying with the girl. You'll be holding hands with her. She loves you, but she needs to save her father's life. You'll be there. Then a young guy who is very young too. You people will just be assuming that all rich people are ugly, they are illiterate. No. A guy as educated as you, a guy as good looking as you, a guy as young as you, a guy as presentable as you with 6 packs. Now the cherry on top, he has something you don't have. He now has money. That guy has been in her DM begging her since, please give me a chance. Now her father is down and needs to be operated upon. Cost 2 million. Then her friends will now call her, Jennifer, come here. Look at this guy. Is he not good looking? She's too. She will now look. For the first time, she will now look at that guy. He's really good looking. Oh, he's as educated as this your broke boyfriend. He now has money. He can now save your father. Why don't you give him a chance? She will now start thinking about it. Before you know, she will break up with you in the most cruel manner. You will now be like, what have I done? My brother, you have not done anything. The world is not kind to a broke man. You have not done anything. Some people even question the right of a broke man to have an erection. You can imagine that. You can imagine that. It's as if broke people are not supposed to even love at all. It is bad. I do not support it. That is why I am saying we need to raise a standard against the prevalent standard. How do you raise that standard? Go and make money, bro. I will tell you tips on how to make money at the end of the video. But stay with me. Let us agree first of all that you need to make money. It is only when we have an agreement that we can now work towards how to take you away from that broke circle. We have talked about love, how love is very unkind to a broke man. Now, the next craving of every man is power. When I talk about power, it's not about weightlifting and 6 packs. It's not about muscle. This is not the power I'm talking about. Because if you can have all the muscle in the world, you will use that your muscle to do the work of a bodyguard. for a man with pot belly. The pot belly man is sitting in his car. You people are wearing suits, running around. Have you seen our leaders, our governors, our presidents? You see them with their pot belly, wearing native. They don't even know the road to the gym. But you see all those gym guys, they will be the one walking on the road, pursuing people, clearing the road. For that man. That is power. That is the power we are talking about. Do you know what power is? Power is not something you demand. You command it. At the foundation of commanding power, you need money. Let me tell you, some people even say that everybody has a price. That is why you see some of your politicians, they will speak against Mr. A today. When Mr. A enters power, their loyalty will go there. They say everybody has a price. I don't agree, but that is what they say. You understand? Power. It's not about your muscle. It's more about your financial muscle, not your physical muscle. I have seen a situation where there is true love between two lovebirds. 11 years relationship of a girl being loyal to a broke man. She met a young guy who had money, swept her off her feet. The guy went to her parents first, bought them over with gifts. Their roof has been leaking for the past 10 years. The broke man could not fix it for them. This guy went, fixed it, paid the school fees of our younger ones. The entire family started putting pressure on this girl. Leave Mr. Broke. Leave Mr. Broke. Leave Mr. Broke. Mr. Broke was dwelling under the false sense of security that this girl did for me forever. That is why he's not even motivated to hustle. Because he feels that he has everything he wants. After all, I have love. This beautiful girl loves me. That girl is bad for you because she's putting you in your comfort zone and you should not be there. You need to be on your toes. Now the whole world, even all our friends are putting pressure on her. You don't understand? Even a broke man, don't even trust a broke man's loyalty. You know what this guy did? He told this girl, this your boyfriend of 11 years that you are saying you love, I can give him money and he will break up with you. You will be there in that meeting. When I will offer him money, he will accept and he will betray you. This guy said never. It cannot happen. So the meeting was arranged. A broke man who does not make 50,000 in a whole year. This rich boy offered him 10 million naira to leave this girl. This guy accepted the money. He was even warning the girl, see, delete my number. Don't you ever this is your husband. You have met your destined husband. What we have been playing. This guy collected the money. He went to start a new life. This girl, a relationship of 11 years, ended. That is power. Power is not a physical fight or making noise or doing kati-kati. No, that's not power. At the foundation of power is money. Because most of these people, their loyalty comes at a cost. It can be bought. You understand? When you talk about power, you cannot dissociate power from money. So that power that you are looking for, try get money, you will get the power. Capiche? Now, respect. A lot of people think respect is age. I'm older than you. I'm older than you. I'm not your mate. I got here before you. Oga. If you want true respect from people, it's about touching their lives positively. That your helper, you have no choice but to respect them. Somebody that comes into your life and settles your bills that have been giving you sleepless nights, they settle it. They fix your leaky roof. They change the engine of your car. They pay your school fees. They buy you Brazilian hair. They provide for you. They are like the air you breathe. Why will you not respect them? Respect is not by, I am older than my girlfriend with 10 years. I'm older than my wife with 15 years. Oga, if you cannot provide. Oh God, the Bible even says that a man, they did not talk about a woman, a man that cannot provide for his family is worse than an infidel. They leave woman, they attack man. Wetin man do man? Wetin man do man? In your marriage, in your relationship, you will see the level of respect your spouse has for you is a function of how much you can provide at that moment. It is the sad reality of life. Even those that don't agree with this thing, subconsciously, they are subject to it. Subconsciously. You that your name is Victor, your wife will be shouting, Victor, come and carry your food. Victor, go and do this. Victor, because maybe you are broke that period. Let small money enter your hand. Wire your wife like 100,000 and she comes to ask you, is it for food stuff? You say, no, use it to do whatever you like. Later that evening, you'll be hearing, Daddy, Daddy. You will think she's talking to her father. It's a lie. It's you that she's calling. Your name is now Daddy. There's a kind of peace that money brings to a home, to a relationship, to a family. Peace. Respect. Your wife will be kneeling down for you several times in a day for nothing. Women, money, she will be picking out debts from your hair, debts that don't exist, be pampering you. What are you telling me? The world is not kind to a broke man, okay? You need to make this money, but it has to be legitimately. Make money legitimately. You will get respect. You will get love. You will get kindness. You will have that power. You will be able to touch lives. The purpose of you making money is so that you can touch other people's lives. That is why it is important that the phone that you are using to watch this video, the data that you are using to watch this video, is not meant to just watch videos and pass. I have a WhatsApp channel where we talk about legitimate ways to make money online. The easiest time to make money ever is now. The easiest time to make money ever is now. Do you know how much people make online on a daily basis now? Do you know that this is the era of sit-at-home billionaires? People who don't step a foot outside their gates, yet they are making money. The old era of going out to break a sweat, to answer yes sir, yes ma, drive through traffic, that era has ended. A lot of people are making a lot of money now through different diverse means. From crypto to Forex to content creation, making money online is like an oil well. You don't have any excuse. You do not honestly have any excuse. When they say the world is not kind to a broke man, I believe that it is worse now. Why? Because they know that apart from you being lazy, there is no excuse for you to be broke. So that is why they are peppering you. So if you sit down and you are looking for true love, you will be as old as Methuselah. You will not see it. Let me tell you, it will even get to an extent that those that used to give you unconditional love, they will start despising you. Do not wait for it to get to that extent. Wake up and start making money. There's a link to my WhatsApp channel in the description of this video. Enter. Let us rub minds. Until I see you there, my name is Victor Isibor. Bye for now.